And I told him he doesn't sit. He told me he wants to rest tomorrow and Sunday.
Yeah.
And Monday he has some work.
Right.
He's going to start some work. But if I call him, he can come.
Okay. That sounds good. So you can have a look.
For me, I know he's very busy. I pay him a little more. So that he can.
So I'm making a chicken feed.
Yeah. I'm trying to make fun of Oriana.
Plates are even too much. Let's hope. See if I'm recording. Hey, that way. I'm recording it.
Hey, you just
Yeah.
But you don't watch like
Yeah.
jump up there.
Yeah.
So you asking me out.
I'll keep half for tomorrow. I'll give them half today. Even if you think that way, you can even put papaya leaf. But use the scissors and break it up.
Okay.
Oh, you know what we should get for the chicken, Dennis? For them to feed is bamboo. You split the bamboo down the middle. Because you can put a line, then they don't have to be too close and fighting for it. Yeah, you just like maybe this lane. Hey. Can I ask you a question? Those termites, do they, you know where there's plastic on the ground, do they center there?
I've never tried.
Okay. It's good. Thank you. It's good. Let me get some rabbit shit and come back. I think I'm gonna. Okay. That is it. Yeah. Now you can put it around.
Slowly.
Yes. Now you fill it up. You could even go deeper, you know. I'm gonna take you up to go deeper. Go deeper, Ariana. Go deep. Maybe if you have to go wide as well, so we get a big hole. Should be okay. Yeah, it should be alright now. Should be okay now.
Kepong iyan.
up there already. Yeah, it is okay. Same with the tamarind. But I don't think they love tamarind.
Tamarind is bitter.
They don't trouble that one.
It's sour, I mean. Tamarind is okay.
Yeah, this is good RM.
Even the other one, we didn't disturb.
Yeah, so the tamarind we can just plant it. When we get
I don't know. They were places as well.
This one I don't think you need the Cavera. The termites don't trouble this one, I don't think. So we put the two of them in the same hole.
The two?
Yeah. One go here, lean sideways like that. The other one the other side.
Man ko gol yo ada ta aja ina bitta bitta ina gol ro joni ro ne opiti to ara ni gara re ada tiga maduong an gara pel apa wa joni nganga ga je cha re lo ada ado e mo ta ya gam chimla ro ngedo ni ara joni o nyer ma be ga pe to cheni to ja buk an ine je me chiling bara re ara ti awa jante ma war do apa chiling Emer kano no chiling no ti bora ana me ga genge ma na chiling ma to che. Wato inti ga dawo do chiling chiling. Bo wa ja wi ri ma no. Da ma duong wa ma se ma tiu gi ne ti. No yo ri ri no. Ri ma lu gi mo pe ri ma lo lo ga da ya. Lu gi mo pe. Ana me chiling june
I
ga.
was telling the engineer left that place at 2 a.m. He was drinking.
That's why he was in such a eager to stay. He wanted to stay
He
so
wanted
bad.
to stay so that he has the freedom to do whatever he wants. And even, he has 3 women. And the kids are not studying.
And yet he's got such a good trade. He can make money.
He can't make
But
money.
it's because he's not leaving that thing alone.
And the kids are also taking marijuana. The one time when the kids got arrested.
Yeah.
And I told him you are not showing bad example.
Yes,
to your
true.
kids.
This is good area, very nice. And even when the tractor will be safe
Yeah,
because
see.
it's in the same line.
The same line.
Eh.
When this guy is there, we don't bring tractor.
Mm.
Yeah.
No tractor.
It's the tractor.
Ang tractor.
Raimundo.
Ah ken te ba danga na mo.
You are poor, right?
Ana po.
What busy body? So how is the soda? The soda we that night.
Hey, it's okay.
Programa.
Gama ngoke very cool you know kwe.
Correra kwala.
Oh, yeah, man, sorry. Make it bigger so we can put the tire halfway. Please.
Yeah, big one. Odia mabaje.
Uno bagi ni ama pergi mon gi jalo ko lo ya nya udak la ni. Aja lo ka tek.
You know mèo kan.
Ana le ka maro awa ci ro ar ka burmot.
Ya ne u wanu por ka chele u pete wale kenu por ka chele.
Engineer.
Bara de. Ata te
Engineer ke da mo.
Engineer
mèo, odia ma da ko chere uye.
Ya ma chere.
Ye ba group.
Oh, okay, gini gini muta.
Good.
And I was waiting to see tukutuku. There was no tukutuku. I heard that we have five, right? Five, ready for a chet thing.
Jagat. Ora ci ni ni ngeen ni woni mer ar mali pier bi pang ko nyakan.
Hey, it's not wide. It's not wide.
Yeah, man.
Tung bor ni kamu gemi.
Then go be da ka chen.
Kau ye tin yom mo. Ye yom pa wala. Ni da tin yi ber yom.
Girang ho. Gibu gol no ar ko.
Anu wala beru kan.
Yeah, it should be okay now.
Ah, enough. La me bela gwa ma na mo mai na.
Tiro bi a chuba bear ga ni ro chai ni.
7.
Sani?
Ajal, ubi ro pa ni ga go bana.
Yo ma ma. Tim. La me ke ka lu ma yung ta. Ki kwan yi. Ani ko tong lu mo ki ma le. Let him put first this so it don't.
Fertile.
You may come on.
Yeah.
Baby, and find it on me a bit of bed. You know, we pack my right. That's the yard.
Yeah.
No, these trees, when they grow up,
Yes. They cannot put.
When wind blows, they just break by themselves.
Yeah.
This one is nice for washing your hair. Soap. Yeah, natural soap.
Natural soap.
Taka mo Canada.
Cho tiếng mà giọt giọt nó đi nhét chuyện cũng bây giờ. Cho ta con.
Cho bê đá water ja.
Ai có nhà bên nó.
Có nhà như đồ mẹ.
Đúng rồi, của cho lục pháp. Có nhà. So, I thought you were bringing the spirit level.
These guys have it.
They what? You make it straight.
They might add, but there's a gap. There's a gap in between.
But if it rains,
I
they
don't
can
know.
tie down there
Yeah, it's okay.
in the tire.
You can even stick this one, it will grow.
Hey, they grow like that.
Yes, it will grow.
Oh, okay, this one also started from this one.
That's how they make the. I grow it.
Yeah.
Even I have one in the house. I have one of this and one of that.
Okay.
Pare, tu yo mi pare.
Banda. Terra da na ni ko boto. Inde bien ja ma ti. Ina rege ya.
Ai word do. Amana go be ati bareo kuma. Magwera mo ba ai awo.
Sana ni boy.
O ba mi ro mi agwa ga ma no buchero kai ba.
Me na go ko.
No buchero.
Bele me mi agwa.
Uja jorlo fur jor tele wo ko me go ko wa chedo me go ko me pe burkera. Wala live do.
Ma ni ne ma ko ni.
Gere la men ko makay do ke se boro di do. No ada pa nyire no.
Ini jere mega di.
En be ye o ngi.
Uja ma yor pa nyire no me pe bitim mo en gire ni lir mi man ma gua pero nyero en pe bi do pe la ter pe lo.
That is it. Thank you.
Aya.
Oh, you're my tech.
So no ready.
Recording. I make a lot of space this morning, so this one can record for the whole day.
Okay. Oh, you deleted stuff.
I've deleted. There's an app. That app is taking more than half of the memory.
Yeah, sorry, you removed that.
I removed the app and then the thing.
You take the data.
I can download it because it's something I paid for.
Okay.
For a year.
1 year.
Yeah. No, I just remove it when I'm back there.
But you're going to use it.
We shall take this one.
Are you going to try to cut it? The axe. You use that one. Yeah, that one is good exercise.
Madam was saying my muscles is coming already.
While you are pruning, you are cutting, eh?
All right.
You are doing also pruning.
Because I plant here watermelon. All this place
Hey,
is watermelon.
watermelon. Yes, we need water in our body also. Melon.
I also
Do
have, I
you
also
for
have one,
expression, eh?
Dennis, I also have one of this in the storage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, the axe.
Not this big one, the one you use with one hand.
The one for this in this video.
Yes.
Machete.
I got one in there.
Mm.
You probably need
Oh,
sharp.
you don't. I don't know what you lack now. You have everything in the storage.
I have power for charging mobile.
Yeah.
Okay.
It can charge 4.
At the same time.
Yes, and it's solar.
Okay.
I just need to get the panel.
The
You
solar
first touch
panel.
that one. Do you remember the story of a man who was cutting the tree? He was sitting on this side.
He's cutting himself down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
But the
thing is starting.
You are ready.
muscles are starting.
There's no need to go for road work.
No,
There's plenty of exercise
no
here.
need to go to the gym.
You come this way.
Go pumping high
You
end.
do exercise. The sun is sharp.
Mm.
I took it to the Christmas market.
Thank you so much. Again.
So again, you have firewood.
Mm.
There's no loss in the garden like this. You've got one. There are two on that side.
Let's work.
We'll come back for it.
Mm.
How many bucks of them are there in there? The one you've used the top.
4, 3, 4.
What we put on this side? We're trying to fix it here. One. This type of thing is very strong. This one here. So you have to plant some flowers, more flowers
Yes.
around,
Yes.
so they don't go very far.
You know this some of these flowers, you stick a hole in the side here. And you just put it in there and it just starts, it just grows. The
Mm.
only thing we worry about is the termites.
Yeah. Termites are the most dangerous one. The bees. They disturbing the what? They disturb the.
They have some
The food.
See the seeds, so some seeds
Mm.
as well, and you just throw them up there.
Mm.
One shower of rain, there are flowers coming.
Hey.
And those, they don't die, they spread.
Mm.
So you have to put them in a controlled area. This is gonna be such a nice runabout.
Mm. Very.
Our dream should come true. What we need is fun.
Sure.
That's it. I have the other one there. But I really try it. Peanuts, I think I noticed. Yeah. What is it like? How is your oyster? Oh, it's okay. I remember Elsa was just troubling you one time. Elsa.
Oh, awesome. I disappeared.
Ah.
What I meant is you gave me disappear. Maybe disappear.
Medicine and frontier. Even alcohol was also.
Yes. Yeah. It contributes.
Yeah. There's a man who says alcohol was also distributed. Is that that? Okay, what kind of way can you We are going to make one. Why are they doing it? No. Then there is more long this time, not here. So there's a friend of mine who said that. Instead of putting burnt oil,
Yeah.
can make the bees to disappear. So what you do, you just bring the cooking oil.
Okay. They will come.
Yeah, no problem. But if they smell burnt oil,
They don't want that place.
they run away. So this slide was faster.
Yes.
Very straight away.
Quick.
But you used to land and take another flight.
Yes. And you'll be for 2 days. You'll be
Too
traveling.
tired.
Traveling for 2 days.
Yes, 2 days. But it was supposed to be 8 hours only.
Yeah. 9 maximum. It's 9, but the driver put his foot down. The pilot make it 8
Okay.
because he left late.
So you have to fix that time.
Yeah, he started 1 hour late.
So you have to make that time. To make it.
You know, people are coming to the airport for a certain time. If you're late 1 hour, some people go back home. It happened to me before. I missed the flight, and the person that was supposed to pick me, I went home.
Yeah.
But I was on the other one coming.
You did. The airport.
Yes, I had to get another person.
Okay. You use that opportunity. You never knew.
They won't knock twice.
One day the girl will come here, baby. That, you've got a baby. There. I was very ready for you, but you are.
You need to get here. You need to. I tell you, man.
Opportunity.
You didn't speak.
Never knock twice. But yeah. Will you more?
They don't go along for.
Các cùng don't mệt more.
They can go along for you.
What's the problem? So you have to get a point where if you are vesting, you are free.
Yes.
Not that you are like
Yeah,
this.
you're breaking.
You have to stand here and then
Ah.
go that side.
Yeah. All right, sir. Thanks. You have arrived.
Yeah, la figure that you were bad. We got to do this to us. And you man, you better. Upon Tata,
Yo.
do you have nets? This long one.
Yes.
You bring them.
Okay. You want the hammer as well?
Okay.
Yeah. You can operate nail without hammer.
You know where you were, you make a bit more. Give me you were bad, you know. Alright, I got the money. Back line. Kill out some minutes, check on.
We cut a piece of stick, and we use a piece of stick at the spirit level. At each
No
side.
problem.
Yeah. So we can, instead of spirit, you can do the Holy Spirit. Natural level.
Natural level.
See the one these guys
I
have?
know you are very good at beating them. I saw you the other time. Where is the binding wire?
That's the whole. Where is it? A roll. There.
So you come with it. So this is now going to be your plier. Hammer is there. Hammer is there.
Not fully.
He's
Fully,
saying it's
yeah.
study. I was telling Mama, you try to do what you cannot stop now.
No.
He knows that, okay, I'm in a good place.
It's graduated.
He has finished education.
finish all the nails. I need to get more.
So you've done that one?
Yeah.
Yes, because you're going to remove all the sweat from that point.
I'm done here. Look.
Yes, that is now permanent. Our level is fine.
The best way to do is go through the soft one into the hard one.
Yeah. If you start from the hard one, then you're going to spoil the whole thing.
You're finished.
This one will grow up. And you bring more shape to them. So we're going to remove all this soil.
Right.
So that we avoid the connection
Yes.
from the what? From the other thing. So this one now is a good plan. We can disconnect these people by putting some cooking oils here
Yeah.
and on this part only. So that place will be okay.
Okay.
No. This will be like long ranging.
They had small one, but they went for the big one.
But can you come with your nail here?
Yeah.
I need this nail down here, this long one.
Okay,
Here,
into there.
You come this way.
Into the root.
You know, foundation is the most important thing.
Okay, I have to stand up.
Yes. I feel it touching something down there.
It's arrived.
Yes. So what we do, they'll bring their roots
Yeah.
a few times.
Yeah, those are
Then
dry.
it'll be more stronger. So now one stand, finish.
Beautiful.
Nice. But our problem is now finishing the cover here.
Do I need cover?
This one you have to use something you can open
Oh.
when you are harvesting.
Yeah.
When you are harvesting, open it. So go down below.
Should I tie this?
Yes, you tie it. Yeah, you tie it. Ah, no, that one. You want to line with that beehive.
Okay.
So you tie it that side. You first come with the hammer.
Yeah.
Somebody is here. Holding our
Where's
project.
our friend?
You get it down. So we first put the beehive, then see how we can tie this.
Yes,
one.
then we
To
straighten
bring
it.
the support with that one.
That we straighten it.
Yes. So we first go this way. You see this position.
This one.
You just have to put one.
This one is gonna be easier.
This one is we're just going to put something
Yes.
straight here. So we fight for this.
Just to keep it steady.
Ah, this one now. Okay. Panga, panga, panga. You are pulling the area. So this one is now nice.
Make it available.
So you have your pili here.
Yeah.
Pili. But can we do it the other way? You leave those termites here. If you can put this one somewhere here. I'm going to put the beehive outside here.
We can do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just for easy harvesting.
As well
Just
as,
stand on it.
as well as away from the termites.
This one now is going to act like that.
Uh,
So this one is going to be. So we're going to use nails. One here. One that side. Hey, here is quiet.
yeah.
If you want to plant something, to do some work, you cannot plant from here.
That's why I said it's the round.
Then you go to the city.
Yeah.
If you're tired. Oh yeah, finish.
This is the roundabout.
About rounding about.
This is where you charge your battery. When you go into town.
Yes. To do some work.
Yes.
With a clear mind.
Here, man.
You know, most of our brains are disrupted when you're inside there. But when you come back here, you find out, I bought the wrong thing. Which means we're supposed to start from here.
Someone start talking to you.
Yes. You're confused.
Yeah.
There's a lot of interruption in that
Tell you.
side.
People always distracted.
You know, most of these people, those who are coming back from UK, they like staying in the village.
Yeah.
They don't like staying in the
They've
city.
been in the city for years.
Sometimes you find them in the farm or elsewhere. But not in the city. In the city, just go to shop.
Yes. Quick shopping.
Quick shopping, then they go back. You're sitting, man, that side. With the heritage, you know, it takes people for tour.
Yeah, I've seen them the other time.
You come with their stick then.
It's not heavy. Very light.
It's very light, but it's okay.
It will work.
Even the road was coming.
Right
It
line
was
now.
lying down, so the root was coming.
Okay, it's one of those ones.
So no, these ones are the one they call them aerial roots. If they grow up, they start bringing their roots from that side to come and take water from down.
See.
So if you get the forest of this tree, there's a lot of snakes there.
Okay.
Because they're like this.
They're coming down. So those are ones that they also like
So we-
water.
Where have you put that one? This one here. This is a strong one.
Yep.
But if I was going to measure the BI code. Because we don't have tape measure, we don't have the
Don't worry, I got stick.
stick measure.
Yeah.
Stick measure, man. You measure the other tape. Okay, you're making this the tape. The tape. Oh. But you know this type of root. How do you call it? The one people eat for bringing appetite.
So now, this is the length,
Okay.
and this is the width.
I only need the length. The what? The long one is called what?
The length.
The length.
Yes,
Yes,
that's the length.
that's what I need.
Okay. I brought the width just in case you need it.
Yes, it has to be there. We might need it. So we can adjust now according to the length. That's a new rule, son.
When you give him the other one, he will complain.
You cannot use that. I want the long one.
This is what they use.
Come on, let's do
I
this
need to
one.
beat my UK time.
You want to beat that time?
You got
Okay. You can also cut a long video.
the
Okay, that is a good part of it.
Yeah, or even speed it up.
Okay.
Say 10 hours, you make it into one.
Finish.
Brother, that one will not work though. Oh, it's not bad. They've been eating it. All up.
It goes inside. I know you know this time.
All up.
You need just to sit on it. You're going to tie it.
You want to try it.
So come this way. The enter to set up.
You throw the hard one into soft one.
Good. That's it. Right, move to some wood.
Make it softer.
Okay, we finish.
That one's hard too.
This kind of wood. Keep that dry.
Iron.
But it needs to be
It's strong.
steady. Wood like things. Steady. So you try to tie it. You cut it on the neck.
We have the material.
if that I bought some potato and beans, it will be more better.
It would.
You see this one?
Hey, beauty. Perfecto.
Sour.
Sour.
So this is Junior from UK to Uganda. Now in Uganda life. So this is the project for beehive. Beehive. So we're trying to put the cover on this side. So they're going to put some nail to cover the other side. So that's 2 inch.
I didn't say the 2, but I'll find 3.
No problem.
It will work.
You just mark them first. Wrong. Sour. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to open from that side.
One more. 95.
We need 10 people.
It's 4 people put it in the lorry, in the truck.
I'm saying 10 because those one who put it in the lorry were not drunk.
Oh,
So now we need 10 drunkards.
4 times 2.
4 times. 4 times 2 to be correct.
4 times 2.
Yes. These people are weak because they are weak now. These people.
The petrol is dangerous.
Petrol station.
I am so glad you stopped playing with that.
Mm.
Oh, you can deserve.
Time.
Hey, man,
There's time for everything.
An experience.
Yeah. I'm a good teacher now.
Don't tell anyone.
Some people are saying, you tell me the trick. I say there's no trick. There's no trick there. There's someone who's under control.
Yeah, will.
Yes.
Yeah, political will.
Because I myself can do it.
I'm a creator.
Yes, we have tried all solutions, but they were not solutions.
Just one day decide to say, no, I leave.
If people ask me, say, everything you do, you have to, right? To make a commercial break. Yes. Then they say, hey, are you also for commercial break? Then I say, yes, I'm for commercial break. But they don't come.
Permanent.
I went for a marriage, second traditional marriage. Oh. I have expressed of my woman there. They were bringing me.
You don't have your experience.
You have to learn. You know, some people also can get spoiled from school. In the process of learning, you are getting spoiled. Most of people don't think that if you go to school, you'll improve.
So school is not
When
for
you work.
School is not for everyone.
Yeah, you're doing it any kind of person. Someone coming from the side of weak doctor, coming from the side of who. You know, like saying, if you come to school, you see your home.
Yeah,
First see your home. Then you not waste your time.
that's it.
But if you come here, you forget about your home. Yeah, you're in danger.
In your time and mine.
They have sold all the bills for you to come to school, and now you're here as Arsenal Man U or what? Let us assume assumption. So this one is a dead lighter.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
Okay. This one needs 4 people.
This one can also be 5.
This one is okay. But I don't know what it can do, you're supposed to make this one smaller. You just place it.
Inside.
Because if you come, you have to just remove.
Oh, what you can do is put one nail. When you come, you turn it.
Okay.
Yeah. You put one nail and it's at the top. When you come, you just turn it this way.
Yes, just you turn it.
Yes.
This one is still light.
Yeah. Maybe you take some.
You cannot run away from arithmetic.
Oh.
So if you're cooking rice, you have how many cups of water? You have to put.
It's not 1 to 1.
1 to 1. 2 to 1.
2 to 1. No, you don't wear tools.
Yeah, that man.
He's digging.
He saw the gumboot and said, I don't like the gumboot.
It's too heavy. I don't blame him. It's too heavy. I don't like gumbo either.
Yeah, you don't like it? You like your boot?
Yeah, so it's best if I get something like this. Now, gumboot is good, but for rain.
You bring for me now. One that I want to put some mat.
Wait.
I don't need the outer cover.
Oh, you need the inner.
So trying to put something similar.
So there's even like an entrance, but it's not entrance.
Entrance but not entrance. Even this one, if you leave it like that, they will enter.
Yeah,
They just see
they find
these
a way.
spaces.
Yeah.
This thing. They like these tiny spaces. This is.
They find a way to
Find
go
a way,
inside.
that's their tactic. So this one. Oh, it's messy.
That is okay.
This time she's more up here.
It's
You see that? The other time said, Mommy, you always doing your things. And they don't take me out.
This is why mommy is not here with us.
Complain.
That's why mommy is not here with us today.
Mm.
She's,
Yeah, you told me that if you come this way, you're going to take me to this place. Now you're only minding about your business. Nah. Be a Sarah.
it's the truth, but she has to do if we make time.
This is a method. It can be made. But you can just mark it. Mark it. The way you can do it. Just to see what you can buy. How we leave them. That can be a space. Just mark it. You see where you can mark. Make it. So if you come, you can just push it. You can just put the nails.
And you can use the thing to open. So it's in there, but it's not all the way in.
Yes.
It's temporary. Till you open.
Temperature.
Three nails to do it.
Before. Just
Before.
mark it. That side. Yes.
This one is inside.
Come with the hammer also. But on the way you run and leave the hammer.
You throw it away and run. This side you have to leave it. It's too close. Yeah, this is where they will enter. They'll enter from there.
But you put one somewhere. This one.
Have to go across with it.
But this one you can put it. You put it up one side, then you can see a way.
Let me go over there.
I'm going to see this other side. Climb up. This is joint account. You climb in the middle. But is it going to reach that side? No. It cannot reach. It cannot reach.
Yes, you reach. Let's go again.
Okay. Sawa sawa. You
That is one down.
One down. The remaining we do one for 10 people. Combine it for them.
No, bounce back, no.
Bouncing.
Bounce back. I didn't bounce back.
How can you not bounce back, man?
I fell in the hole.
There was no bouncing back.
There was no bouncing back. This one we can't nail it too much. This one is tough. When you come for open,
Yeah, you come with the hammer.
you're gonna get disturbed.
By the time you come to open, this nail will be weak now.
Ah,
Because of rain.
okay, yes. It will just break off. Should I bend it?
Huh? I don't bend it.
Because if I bend it, you can just.
Yeah. This one, if you come, you also have the thieves. They do it
They'll
faster.
get in there.
Don't give them
Easy,
bad end.
easy access.
So this
So-
one,
Now I should go get
you
manpower.
go and get power with the man come here. Don't not only man, main
Mail.
power.
Hold on. Oh man.
Man power, main power.
Win that he crave the mirror.
Baba Maraj.
You should move these things in case that we don't get fall down.
Hi bees. It's okay.
Need to raise up a bit.
Baja.
Nyawa dua.
Itu ya gua aja tu. Ah, ya. Dulu itu mana? Mungkin itu. Oke. Nah, coba. Ini dia tak apa sih. Mungkin ya bunga. Itu memang.
Di nomor tahunnya apa?
Ini lah ya. Ini mau berkali batu. Jam dah kan? Baja. Dia jadi ikut dasar. Baja dia. Baja tinggi ya. Ini bakal ni nak dah kan.
One more.
Perfect. Now,
That is it.
better than so many. So we need this one to come this way. In here. Yes. It's good. Nice. So you have a nice place to steam.
Guide. Finding way.
Lining with the wire here.
cho tới một cái cô mà tôi quen cả thì cho bên
Ah, quite good.
cho bên
So I hope you know this man very well who is working here. So this is Junior from UK, right up in Uganda.
Yes, all the way.
All the way.
Yes, sir.
This man is now 1 week in UG. Enjoying our weather here.
And the thing is, it's going to be very difficult to go back.
Yeah, it's very difficult because the weather here is so favorable.
Mhm.
We are always enjoying the weather. We are always like here in UK.
You plant anything,
We have fresh
just
air.
grow.
You plant something,
Get the seed,
they
you throw
just,
it down,
they just grow.
just grow.
We don't need humans. The land is just fertile.
Yeah.
You see how our banana leaves are green. Everything is green around.
Look at this soil.
You can see.
There.
That
No
is it.
fertilizer, no manure, just
No manure.
fertile soil.
I think you can see how the stand look like. We need money.
Yes.
Mm.
Put some more beehive, harvest the honey.
Yes, we harvest the honey. And we harvest also the money. The money, the honey.
It's together.
Yes, too. That is fantastic. So this is what we're having here. You can see how our bananas are so nice. You can see the compound. So Junior is right here enjoying himself in Uganda, the land of fertilizer, the land of fertility. No appointment.
Freedom.
Okay, that is it for now.
So we can break. It's double lock.
So right away you can see we are still in the farm, African
Someone
village.
was telling me
Mm.
that this one is called chestnut.
Oh, not
And-
cocoa.
So I've not yet confirmed.
But this
But I
one
said
look
this one is chestnut.
chestnut,
Not cocoa.
not cocoa. This time there are many.
If it's chestnut, they do it Christmas time.
Hey,
Mhm.
you can see it.
Yeah.
Very nice. So this is Hakuna Matata right up.
I think I should get moringa.
Yes.
I don't want to leave the plastic in the garden.
So these are our pineapples.
Yeah, so you see
They are
that big
coming
one?
up very well.
I took one from there.
But is it going to produce the small one? The one you can transplant?
Yeah, I already transplanted it.
This one here, from down.
No. Yeah, eventually.
I think it will come up from...
This one,
Mm.
from that pineapple there.
Mm,
So the pineapple we harvest from here,
mm.
we eat it, put the top.
Okay.
Mm.
Yes, they are okay.
And this two mango is coming down now.
But I remember we planted them up to somewhere that side.
This one is from the gutter, yeah.
Mm.
And then one we buy
There's other one that side. There's one. It has not taken even long. Because the other one can take 7 months. Eh?
13, 23.
So what about the lemons you're supposed to take? You take Riamas, not yet.
I saw him be the
Budgeting.
Once he dresses, I know he's more.
When the pockets. Okay.
That's the trust I used to seduce the other lady.
Budgeting. So we have lemons in plenty.
Hello, it's lost. I'm gonna stick. That's the cut one. I'll go get.
You put you get the stick, then you can go with. But some are low, some are down here. Or you give the yellow one. The green ones are more important.